As you can see, today we're going to be talking about isometric and orthographic projections. As you can see on the board, this is an isometric view of like an eye, the letter I. To break it out a little further, to draw an orthographic projection, you do the front, the top, and the side, and I will color them in to distinguish the colors, or the sides, from each other. So the green is the front view that we'll draw. The top will be the pink, and the side will be the brown. So as you go through this, I will draw it in. Let's do the front view. So let's draw it right here. Front. You would just have this object like so. And so it matches the other view. That would be your front view. To do the top is a little different because you have this view is what you see, but to represent it correctly, to know that there are lines, that this part is cut out, you can show it by a hidden line, which is just like a dashed line. So those two lines represent that image. And then the side view would be over here, and you just would show it like that. And this represents this top portion right here. So that's the top portion. This right here is the next middle portion that's cut out, and that would be the bottom portion. So this is your right side, or the side view, and this is your top view. These three views create an orthographic projection. And when you're drawing objects in AutoCAD, these are the objects you'll draw unless you're using a 3D program that will automatically show you these views. But when you're showing shop drawings and things like that, you'll show a top or a side or a front view to illustrate how big it is, and you would also show dimensions of legs. So let's say that was 1 inch, this would be 2 inches, and this would be 1 inch, with an overall of 4 inches. This top could be, let's say, 2 inches. And then these legs can also be dimensioned, which could be 1 inch, 1 inch, and then we could do, whoops, let's do this differently. 3/4, 3/4, and then this would be a 1/2 inch to make up the 2 inches. And that is the example of an orthographic and a isometric view that you would be drawing in a CAD program.